Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today will be a Happy Mail unboxing video. There are several packages that I've received in the last several months that I have unpacked, and I thought I would share this with you. I haven't done one of these in a very long time, but I think these are always fun to watch. I love to watch unboxing videos, so I received this funny story kind of behind the scenes. I received a package and it said Softly Studio, and I thought to myself, I didn't order anything from Softly Studio. Her videos are beautiful. I know she has an Etsy shop, and I don't recall ordering anything from Softly Studio, so I messaged her on Instagram and I said, oh, thank you so much for the beautiful package. I don't remember ordering it, but thank you so much. And then she said, actually, it's from somebody, and I I had no idea. I messaged her before opening this package, so I had no idea. And right now, as you can see here, these beautiful paper bits and things like that, beautifully packaged. And you'll see later who it is from. Right here it says "Happy Birthday, Mitz" from Momo, and I teared up. I cut this part, I edited this part a little bit, but I totally teared up and I was in so much shock. I couldn't believe that Momo sent me this beautiful package from Softly Studio for my birthday in December. So I'm not sure if she's watching, but thank you, Momo. This package is absolutely stunning. Like I've already started using some of the paper items from here in my junk journal, and it was very, very thoughtful of her. I'm so sad that she's not here in Japan and she's moved overseas, but the fact that she went out of her way to think of me and purchased this beautiful package. So I'm opening up. I'm sorry, the first part of the opening of the Softly Studio package was cut. I can't find the footage, but luckily most of it was still intact. And this part I am opening up these beautiful tags, and everything is in nice little envelopes and little there's labels on each thing, like each little package, and it's things that you can most definitely use in your journals, in your junk journals. It's not packaging that you just kind of throw away. It's beautifully packaged in like glassine bags and things, and the tape, the labels on the masking tape is really, really nice and soft. And these beautiful papers you see here, me flipping through, very soft and very, I don't know what the word I'm looking for is, but it's very, very pretty. I am definitely going to be using these to add texture to my pages in my junk journal. I didn't get to spend as much time as I'd like to last year in 2019, or near the end of the 2019. I didn't really get to spend much time in my junk journals, so that's something that I want to get back into in 2020. I've already thought about it. I've already started decorating a passport-sized junk journal, and yeah, so I'm very excited about that. I've already also taken out a junk journal from two silver oranges as well, so I have that one already lined up as well. So, and then this beautiful insert here, I think it's in the A6 size, I want to say. So this is also something that I want to start using. One's my passport, and the other, I think the other one is like it's slightly bigger than a passport size, the one from Two Silver Oranges from Jessica that I purchased. So once that's finished, I will move into this, I think it's an A6 one. And it's beautifully embossed. I don't know if you can see that, but it's embossed with Softly Studio. And all of these papers and the ephemera, everything really goes well together. And I don't know if Momo picked these out, but it's just, everything is so, so pretty. Even the packaging you see there with the wax seal, it's so, so pretty. So that was from Softly Studio, and this one I received, I want to say back in October. It was before I moved from my old location, and I'm so thankful to Kristine. She always surprises me with these lovely gifts, and I feel so bad because I really, really like to take time to open up Happy Mail. I don't want to just open it and then I just want to really appreciate the opening, and I feel like I give myself this rule that I don't open something up if I don't have the time to really sit down and appreciate every single bit. So this time I decided to just put the camera on. I don't do any talking. That's why you hear me doing this voiceover now, but I'm just sitting down and enjoying every bit of this unboxing. These are some beautiful postcards from Kristine. I will of course leave all the links down below to the people that I mentioned, and Kristine she includes these wonderful teas, and I always get so excited because I can't find these kinds of things here in Japan, the different types of teas. There are tea shops, but I find a lot of them are loose leaf. The packaged ones I can buy maybe online, but I don't really, browse online to purchase teas. Anyways, she always includes little lovely sweets and Werther's. The Werther's originals I always pop into my mouth right away. And I love the ones that she includes, like the Werther original mint flavor, which I've never seen before. When she first included them in a previous package, I was like, what? It's a mint flavored Werther's original? I couldn't believe it. But those are so delicious. And this is just a lovely holiday card. I feel so bad that, I filmed this a while ago, but I still feel bad that I didn't open up the package before I moved. It was just way too hectic packing everything up and moving to another location. But thank you, Kristine. And she totally spoiled me with all of these washi tapes, and I will definitely be sharing these. I've already started sharing these with my friends. I've done a washi swatch spread, I think in my Hobonichi, I want to say. I think it was, I don't remember where, but I did do a washi tape swatch. So I opened up every single washi tape and swatched a sample in my Hobonichi Tejo. And they're so colorful, and some of them you can see that one there with the feather is gold foil, which is really, really neat. This one here, I think is from Petra. Petra is the one that did the swatches, and I think some of the artwork is also from Petra, and she's done a collaboration together with Kristine. So this makes me so happy, so happy and glad to see these washi tapes. And then this one, I was completely shocked. I had no idea what it was. Kristine she totally spoils me all the time, and she includes like vintage papers and tickets and ephemera. And so I assumed that this was one of those booklets with the vintage papers and things like that. But then when I held it in my hand, I felt like, oh, it feels like a notebook. And you'll see here, it's a beautiful original notebook from London Gifties. And the packaging is, of course, really, really cute with the Christmas packaging. I actually reused this wrapping paper. I reused it to wrap one of my son's little gifts, and so you can see I'm trying to take it off gently, but I like to reuse things, and sometimes I reuse the paper in my journal to just kind of decorate the background. And in this instance, I was able to reuse this packaging for Christmas, actually. So thank you, Kristine. So this is the beautiful hardbound, hardback notebook from London Gifties. It's gold foil there. You can see London Gifties. And the paper is really, really nice. There is a nice rubber band closure or an elastic closure. And it has 160 dot pages. And the pages are nice and thick. It's 160 GSM. So you can see the information band. I don't know what this is called, the book band right there. I love the feeling of the pink. I don't know what kind of material you would call this, but like the pink cover is really, really nice with the gold foil leaf on the front as well. I like the fact that there's even a pen loop attached already to it. So it's a nice, very nice, sturdy notebook, and it really makes me want to just put a pen in there and just keep it simple and use it for maybe journaling or just some random thoughts. I think it would be nice to just keep by my bedside. something like that, a very intimate type of journal. It even has a ribbon notebook in the middle and a gusseted pocket in the back, you can see right here. So if I were to just let's say for example my kids drew something for me that was very something special, or I had received a special letter, I can definitely keep it in this pocket. It's nice and big, and it's really, really nice. It opens nice and flat, you can see right there. That's the ribbon bookmark. But yeah, like I said, it's something that I think I want to just keep it. It's a very personal type of journal. Just keep it simple with a pen and keep it by my bedside. Maybe one of these days, if I end up making it into like a Hobonichi type of journal, or like a, not a junk journal, but more of like an events or like a travel journal, I think I might share some spreads. But this is definitely a special notebook. So thank you so much, Kristine. I will, like I said, leave all the links down below. This is from London Gifties, an original notebook from her, and all these beautiful washi tape and teas. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of these lovely packages. I have another one coming up soon. I purchased a package of vintage ephemera, and I hope to unbox that and do like a journal with me session in my junk journal. Like I said, I'm going to start, I think, a passport size one, so I hope to do that in the coming weeks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.